In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create serial numbers in Airtable. If you've ever wanted a simple, reliable way to label each record in your Airtable base, serial numbers are the easiest solution. They give you a clean, consecutive identifier you can use for tracking tickets, orders, cases, or any item that needs a unique, predictable ID. Let's walk through it together so you can set this up in just a minute. First, open the Airtable base and the specific table where you want serial numbers to appear. Make sure you're in grid view or any table view where you can add a new field. You'll need edit access to the base to make this change. Next, add a new field. Look to the far right of your table's header row and click the plus button to create a new column. This is where your serial numbers will live. Creating a dedicated field for them keeps your table organized and makes the numbers easy to reference across views and automations. When the field configuration panel opens, choose the field type called Auto Number. This option tells Airtable to automatically assign a unique number to every record. It starts at 1 and counts up from there. The values are read only, which means they're stable identifiers you can trust. Sorting, filtering, or moving records won't change them. And Airtable will also fill in numbers for all your existing records right away. Give the field a clear descriptive name so your team knows exactly what it represents. Common choices are serial number, ID, or ticket number. Pick the one that best fits your workflow. Then click Create Field. If you ever want to rename the field later, you can do that without changing the numbers themselves. You'll now see Airtable automatically generate a number for each record in that column. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Any new record you add will get the next available number automatically. If you delete a record, Airtable won't renumber the rest, which helps preserve a consistent history and avoids accidental duplicates. Keep in mind that the numbers reflect the order in which records were created, not necessarily how they appear after you sort or filter your view. A few quick tips as you start using this. Auto Number is perfect for internal IDs and lightweight tracking. If you ever need a specific format, such as adding a prefix before the number, you can pair this field with other features later. For most use cases, though, Auto Number is the fastest and most dependable way to get unique serials. That's all there is to it. You've added a field, set it to Auto Number, named it, and watched Airtable generate your serials automatically. Thanks for watching.